After Mandela was released in 1994, there was lots of procedures and policies that Eskom adopted to create SMMEs and empower black entrepreneurs. And I took the opportunity in 1996 to establish Revive Electrical Transformers as a black empowerment transformer manufacturing company.
And your own background?
I'm a professional engineer, electrical engineer. I worked 18 years in Siemens as an engineer, and I joined Eskom as a quality practitioner in 1991. I worked 2 years also on the Eskom national contracts for transformers and many substations.
How has the industry changed since your days as a young electrical engineer?
The drive is to produce high volumes of transformers at a very reduced cost, and that's the biggest challenge that I had to face, is to compete against established manufacturers that were in our country for more than 100 years, and to be now classified as the second largest supplier of distribution transformer manufacturer.
When were you classified as such?
When I received an Eskom national contract, 2008.
That's excellent. Must have been a great highlight for the company.
It was an extremely great achievement for our company and for the country, because we were the first black empowerment company to reach such goals.
Looking forward, what are Revive's plans for 2013 and beyond? And I believe you've got some particularly exciting green initiatives.
Correct. I've purchased a 17,000 square meter factory in Klip River, Randval, and the main purpose of this expansion for Revive Electrical Transformers is to introduce the low loss amorphous core transformer technology into South Africa, where coincidentally we've been awarded the first Eskom contract to produce these transformers as a pilot project for Eskom, as well as the design and manufacture of resin core dry type transformers in South Africa, which is in Africa. It would be the first company in Africa to produce them locally. Our aim here is to improve our product lines so that we can supply the whole of Africa instead of them importing from Europe and so on.
Is there a lot of imports happening at the moment?
It's true. The whole of Africa imports from Europe. We haven't yet been able to supply.
How did this come about?
Well, it's due to history. Most of the countries in Africa were colonized, and then the countries that owned them used to bring their products in. Mozambique, Angola, and so on have Portuguese manufacturers supplying them traditionally, and French companies for the DRC, for instance, and up north, Kenya and Uganda all buy transformers from various countries in Europe. But we are part of the AU, and we would like to support local